So we can add graphs, at least in Office products, especially OneNote, fairly easily. Uh, in Blackboard, which we may use occasionally, um, or more than occasionally, they are quite a nightmare to add to assignments. Um, Almost impossible for tests, um, but we can do it through assignments. You just have to upload a Word document. So let's go ahead. Let's do a really quick overview of how to do some shapes and some graphs in uh, OneNote. So here, I'm going to go up here to Draw and then over to Shapes. And let's do a simple, let's say, supply and demand. So here I have that. I'm going to start in the bottom right-hand corner, go up like that. There we go. There's my axes, shapes, and I can add 45-degree line. Now, one thing I am using is I am using the OneNote for Windows 10. You can do a lot of this also in the OneNote that will be attached to Teams. I find the OneNote app a little bit more full-featured. You can also use OneNote, I think it's 2016, and it'll do much more, but it's no longer really supported. Okay, so anyway, back to topic at hand. So let's go ahead. Let's gonna add some things here. All right, so this is our supply. Click here. That is demand, right? So let's put price on this axis. And let's put quantity on this axis. All right, there we go. Might help if I spelled quantity right. There we go. Our simple graph, and we could go in, we could add another shape. We could add something over here. We want to say practice movement. So you can do all of these types of things. Okay, so you can change the color. Yeah, just go up here, switch colors, the different pens, you can switch them there. So you can do that as well. So there we go, a simple graph. That's actually very difficult to do, like I mentioned in Blackboard. We can do it fairly easily here. You can also select it all, kind of, and then copy and paste it. Well, get everything, and you can paste it later. You can also import pictures. So what you might want to do is, for some of our models, ISLM, ISPCMR, that you'll see later on, you may want to start with a template, or I'll provide you a few templates, and then you can go ahead and insert pictures from files. Okay, or you could draw them by hand and insert them from your camera. The other thing we can do here is, once again, if you do have a pen tablet, like a Surface Pro, something like that, you can click the ink to shape. And in this case, see if it'll let me do it. Let's see. Select that one to shape. It'll correct my bad drawing, at least some of the time. Can work. Do I get a triangle? No. Works some of the time, especially with things like circles. I get nice circles there. Sometimes I get better there. But anyway, you can, it helps in terms of inking these shapes. Anyway, you can get the idea of how it's supposed to work. Once again, I kind of find it hit or miss. If you draw a shape, it's supposed to convert it to, or you draw something, it's supposed to convert it the other way. Okay, so you can do graphs. It's fairly easy to do, especially if you're pen-based tablet. You can go ahead and draw things in quickly, even if it doesn't convert it for you. All right, so that's how we can add some graphs, especially in OneNote. Like I said, you can add in pictures and other things as well.